07 450R. I got new handlebars on this. You can thank my buddy Joe for wrecking my bike and bending my bars. Nah, he didn't really wreck it. I just like to give him shit. But yeah, we're gonna go ride a little bit, have some fun. Haven't been on the bike in about a week and a half. So, well, it's been longer than that. But get some laps in, have some fun. Okie doke. There's a bunch of people out here. Whoa, shit. Berm's a bit muddy. Leaves are starting to fall here in Ohio, or at least back here in the woods they are. There's somebody behind. Just trying to get used to the bike again. I haven't been riding much lately. Right through that. We'll take high side berm this time. Take the shortcut this time. New bars are working out quite nice. I almost think I prefer that high side of that berm. I think we'll head out to the big track now. not so bad. A little bit over that way. But all in all, not so bad. We're going left here. Kind of slowing down, my hands kind of hurt for some reason. Just kind of take it easy through the woods section. Oh, that's muddy. Take a break. Once you get out here having fun, can't nothing go wrong with that. Alright, take a break, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, heading back out to the main track. Just gonna ride it a bit. Still trying to get comfortable back on the bikes. They've been off for quite a while. Well, at least 3 weeks. So, but we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Probably take that road back here one time. I don't know if I'll actually try and hit any of the jumps. I mean, I was kind of rolling them earlier, but on my hand, oh, I just killed my bike. My hand's been hurting real bad for some reason, you know, operating the clutch and this and that. Get pains up in here. So, but that berm's a fun one to hit. So there are a few other ones around here, but the kill switch doesn't work on the bike anymore for some reason. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Probably buy one of the billet aluminum ones that go right here. So other than that, get this thing fired up again. Oh, we ain't smoking, that's a good sign. wonder if my tire's a bit low up front, because I feel it moving around, like wanting to wash out on shit. So like how this park, I mean, when park is what it is, has little cutoff routes. You know, you can take a shortcut here, take a shortcut there, get around an obstacle if you don't feel comfortable riding it, like here with the doubles and everything, you know, because it's unsafe. So, and when I said park, and because park is what it is, this place is owned by the city of Harrison, Ohio. Oh shit. So, free to ride, come down here. It's open 3 days a week. Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. It's currently Sunday. Oh shit. Here's that berm at the beginning I was talking about. It's fun to ride. On a bike. For some reason it looked like a Razor. Some guy on the Facebook page of this place was talking about, oh, I can bring my Razor out here. No, you can't. It's not meant for it. I don't know why my front brake squeaks like that. But this is where I feel my front tire always give out. That turn there. Berms are pretty fun to ride. This has kind of gotten rutted out here. It kind of needs a little bit of TLC. Like I said, the track's owned by the city, but it's ran and maintained by volunteers, mainly the guys that kind of run the Facebook page. A good group of guys come on there quite a bit. Kind of like to post my videos on there and show everybody we're having a good time out here, showing people that we love the place. I just got mud all over my boot. We'll go for one more lap. this is a little track, but I wouldn't say a little track. It's actually quite large for a track being that is. Oh, that just whacked me in the face. Oh, you can see somebody's dust trail. Let's come through here. Let's go right. Sling some dirt. Kind of wish I had a camera sometimes that faced backwards. So you can see all the dirt that I fling. Take a quick stop right here. So, when I put the new handlebars on, as you can see, oh god, there's dirt covering my lens. I had no idea. Oh shit. When I put the new bars on, this kill switch over here didn't want to work anymore. So in fact, I had a problem with it grounding out. Couldn't start the bike. So, go down here. See if this works. Guys. So what I have to do is oh, there goes one guy. There. I have to stall the bike out to turn it off. But yeah, those guys are out having fun riding. You can't blame them for that. Maybe I'll go around and get some video of them. But yeah, this is a little fun place. I've never actually hit rev limiter on my bike before. That actually sounds pretty sweet. Oh, I'm in gear. Fuck. I'm in first. Alright. Let's get a move on. Oh shit. I don't know what gear I'm in. Still in first. Let's go for second. There's second. Second's usually what I ride the track in. Oh, that dude just, I just killed it. So we can sit here for a second. Somebody comes over that jump. You gonna hit that again? He didn't, I don't think he heard me. But that dude clears that whole thing. I hit it a little bit, but not too comfortable on the bike. That's a topic for another video. Go ahead and get this bad boy in neutral. Bunch of dads out here with their kids, some serious riders, but most of us just want to have fun. Oh, there he is. That dude's killing it. Oh, bike didn't want to start. I don't know when, but I'm getting new bars for this. Hopefully before my Aspen trip next time. That'll be September September 21st. I want to hit those. I don't know where that dude that's flying is. I want to hold him up, but I'll hit it. We'll take the escape roads around. Right here, yeah. This is technically what they call the fire road. In case somebody gets hurt, they can get into it. It's just wide enough for a truck. I don't know if you can actually fit an ambulance back in here, but obviously most of the people who come here have trucks. So that way real quick. This cuts you back over to the junior track or the kid track. Get a little place to warm up on, have some fun. I really want to buy a pit bike. Just come out here and rage with some of my friends. I see that bunch of kids out here having fun. Nothing wrong with that. I'll grow on that bike. Kids teach them young, they'll ride forever. Oh, somebody else showed up. Oh yeah. So that's gonna end this video. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it